Assalamu alaikum. As I finish my time as U.S. Ambassador, I would like to thank the people of Pakistan for the warm hospitality they have shown me and the sense of friendship I have encountered throughout my travels over the past 3 years. I leave confident that the relationship between Pakistan and the United States is on a positive course. We are advancing our historic partnership on the basis of mutual respect and pursuit of common interests. We have a demonstrated commitment to cooperation in fields including education, energy, security, health, and economic prosperity that will continue to build connections between Pakistanis and Americans alike. I became a diplomat more than 30 years ago, and while my service has taken me to many places, Pakistan will retain a special place in my heart. I leave Pakistan with heartfelt gratitude towards its people and the friends I have made here, and a great hope that Pakistan and the United States will continue to build the bonds of friendship for years to come. Thank you. Khuda Hafiz.